Now sleep. What's up? You need to think about what I can be. You man reply what I'm making sense. Man, understand? Matoni reply. Te when you ignore bet. Of you when you go I change be man. So we put you who are Europe in most of the being Latin. So we kita the Monica Coco. Ula bata mai. Oh yeah, no we are one for any almost boy. Who got up for no work out of water because of what the Mario. I want better for Yes, we don't play this music too long because it's just going to be a short video. I just want to reply some who oh my baby, no way I want for that woman what they say now I want for talk show when I go call and come. No way be why I tell me because if I go or we need attention go me yari no man getting where attention me or see me like me. No way I want for the bana la for go na wa border from we another for sungu with the word no be amodo we amodo I don't know I say all you sungu we no ono da for don we ka home na no so no sungu e no nya be mo ba all you sungu no way I want for no we nya want for no nya gele ni o ma ni we ni because if about la gbe de tu want for ira you mu ade obodo gbegbe agedo sale kaiwe we ya ko na barrier right tomatoes before the kiss one insult you. This is just introduction. Yes, so my people, I greet you now with us. This is Frank Victor, the man, one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media kubana, the social media otutu no no one. I just do my drink. I will play this one video for them. This video I've been on my phone since morning. This one I was doing low key, doing one or two things. You understand? So this evening, after they go through some of the videos which people send for me, they go through, then they play the video which people send, they come. You know, me no blast. Yeah, they ignore some ignore message. So I have to read the message which people they send. So I got to read this one with they send for me. Because say this woman they insult in generation, they insult in father, they insult in mother, they insult in husband. You understand? So that's why I just want to rush answer this woman. Now you feel me so? Just want to rush answer the woman sharp as the hot. We call it say I want for talk show. When I want for talk show. Ni ban here want for now. Wait, when always the open road. Was we were road. Was oji. Because if I bodo ladder from we or that we are see a well at and Mohian word that well at it cannot lazy. Because when you know you are a Zanzan association. A cocobiri vitalization with me. Okuni you are the web number one row away. We are the way you are. No, I will not do it. I want for a way or wherever you are. Where where you are, with my own marry do you are. Equally real bomb be a you are. Equally real body you are. Only who will bona for you are. Phew. Equal we bona or be a yoa. Equal we bona or you mugo yok be a who. Majority of people are not saying Zoa because it won't go young. Equal no you give me a go young, was saying I am dead. Even I know about 190 that one. You know, if Buzo or Ajebona. Ajebona won't go young. Oh, what year you are. Oh, no more can Nigeria deal with one lesson near Lashawo. I want for talk show. If I don't hear loud, or hear larger body. But you can't move now. Okuawe we see now. If I most of la we last card or bole skin. In name moon, Ajebone name moon, no, we are so here. Ajebon no kere for years of my beef or my bit room. A band doctor in one community and that's one abo. When you every day Ajebo, when you want to go gun, Agume Kia. Ya Ajebo, I will pay you when you win a meal. No, what if Ije no gi. Wabe you are poda for no more you about donum about door or doors or I want to know doors or no
I will not do it.
And then that bubble
as much as I can. Okay? Benny I setting. Yeah, try as much as I can. So no live video. No say.
I don't know.
Try in my own way. Just manage, try, and respect you as a man, no matter what. Not just a man, as my elder too. Okay? On in our for. One in live video. Don't harm a Niger worship. Emi no man. Now some people they thief page. Now some people they do this one. I get message from that this morning. As man and woman, as a living human being, learn to always condemn evil. When evil is done, not only condemn her. When they do the evil to you or the person when you love, evil. Now evil, no matter who they do unto, if they do unto person when you not like, as a truthful and responsible human being, you need to come out as a truth teller that you are, to say, okay, even if this person I not like her, even if this person I not agree with what he or she they do, but this thing when this thing person do and so, now evil, that is how person when they talk through to the rope. For this live video, a platform all any platform all over no new and what the truth teller. Any assume no heken what tell Matazi, why so nipu, why me want to have a live video, why that Rudon man no way me dani or go manage a page, Rudon man share a video. Who don't want to promote one, who don't want who may want gain or benefit of the other who can hear and by doing so, well not radio, well not radio, because they always stand for the truth, they always say the truth, irrespective of who the truth concern. Irrespective of who the matter concern. My point is, when Ijore destroy the bad head, cry come and say, Niger Watch collect the page when she built this one, that one, YouTube channel, this one, that one. This message now generally to all presenters. So some people come out to condemn Niger Watch, person like me. I not join Niger Watch, I not join Ijore. I talk my mind. I say my own take. Say, Ijore na bad person, Ijore na thief. By using the name of people when not be papa, mama to make money, she's a rogue, a thief. And Niger Watch is also a criminal, a hardy criminal like that as Ijore. I talk that one. The case ends like that. But guess what? Many of our presenters, our brothers and sisters, many of them shamelessly support Niger Watch for what he do.
That's like Monica.
I not go deep into
person like who support Monica Ghana GPC in your gang. And they support Naija Wash.
I don't even get time to go into the matter. Say, okay, if really Nigeria get the platform, or a Naija Wash or Kanye, or Ijore computer, my own point was that if that platform, that YouTube or that page get follower, but at least as Ijore call using his salt and water ministry to take build down, Naija Wash was wrong to take her from her. That was my point. But many of una presenters, una support Naija Wash. Una.
Oyo bobo ya gunu weni. Igbe agia anwan fo igbe agia. Yo bobo ya gunu weno guyani. Wa ya no ridu agun ayere wa gun Naija Wash gun ayena. Wa dara gun wa. Wa dara gun wa. Eyi so ya zo na ada igbe. O ma yiro gore no ka gbele. Now, because Ijore is a popular person, and now Atiti is also a popular person, Ijore Atiti is not the first person in Naija Wash near a page. Rano Egbe YouTube. I can talk of 3 people in Naija Wash Egbe YouTube. Edo BBC, BBC analyzer YouTube channel. In Naija Wash mwe geni blessing. In Naija Wash na mi ekinye ki Monica. Warok ba gani la nyela video ravie. Apart from blessing unjo. Ogwa e mota na analyze video ni. None of una will be presenters will talk about that girl issue for this social media. Apart from Okbana. In Naija Wash mwe a guy blogger, another blogger from Spain. None of una will talk about that issue. Apart from Lemiwa. A Naija Wash mwe Edo Tafia Amebo YouTube channel. A very big, popular YouTube channel. Which majority of the live video presenters are, that guy they always block everybody. Nobody, no live video presenter talk about Edo Tafia Amebo YouTube channel. Apart from Lemiwa. Now I talk about that thing. Always a bird at Ijore. Because Ijore was having issue with Osawemezewegi, you all plan up together. Naija Wash not the way you know you. Monica is you get and do ago. Why now when I wire? Now listen about Tina. A banwa here Aladdin, person like Unshakable Mama. Unshakable Mama have been this YouTube or been on this Facebook is there. When Naija Wash a YouTube over here do which we all know Edo Tafia Amebo. Even Unshakable Mama video has a guy may block a video. Did you come out to speak about that issue, to condemn that act? None of you. None of you guys, live video presenter, came out to condemn that act. Or you say because you were here what it is, who are here Aladian, why do I support Naija Wash? Enogi was here, you know here, when Naija Wash Edo Tafia Amebo YouTube channel. If you are really ambassador of ambassador Gui, did you come out and speak about it as a presenter? No one of one matani. None of you guys. Why here now? Or is subject at the team? Why here lad? What do I make joys of attitude? Because we are there where on my school. Ogun ogbeli waya. When waya ya gwan matani. Ogun ogbeli waya. Waya bell. Because we don't worry. On it be a girl, mamma, who are not waiting a cooking. A video we are quite better. What I want to know what they want to was one.
But at least as Ijore call using his salt and water ministry to take you down, Naija Wash was wrong to take her from her. That was my point.
Oh. If I want to watch me, my page again.
Una support Naija Wash. Una not tell Ijore what Ijore do wrong. Una still tell Naija Wash. No.
Igbovu oworo wa Igbovu.
Good morning, Joe Morui.
Igbovu oworo wa. Ijore so wa no so wa ne.
Naija Wash wana high they say wanna support Ijore. In a way Niger washing here is wrong. Any no ma, any no ba. How can you support Niger wash? When you go to say, how can you say you not be thief, you not be criminal? Ojira yarare, imotoleriere na doviore. Now you get the house where they put on. Now you they help am sell the things. Now you they join am eat for the money. And you want to tell me say you not be thief. If you not be thief, why that criminal when they come thief high property for your house? No, they can't keep am for my own. What say the NIV in here? Don't fear your women. I want for. And I never go wife you,
And now we are one for we are one for
people who support Niger wash was wrong. Or man down by him because if you're here setting a few look here or to know I don't if you look here niki. No when Niger washing no when no high who a setting where he woman up and ever woman gear. When I manage the page, una manage the YouTube, una read the YouTube. One presenter, the boom. Why so? One support Niger wash. Why so? One support Ijore. It was very few people, no larger hardware, who can on Ijore or Niger wash. Why is it that some of them continue to support evil? Okay. This attitude, a attitude don't happen now.
Okay. Madam, yo.
Many of them now on live video. Some of them on live video. To a page is wrong. To a page is wrong. Still a page is wrong. My own point is, when una hear good morning, come baby. When una hear say. He get one page that time, and don't say Niger Wash or one blogger like that. Bring down that YouTube. What's your wale presenter? Ni Bumana Ladia, he condemned the art.
Good.
What's here?
Good.
When I hear anywhere, or say be partiti, Wadola Dia was a look people, walk below people. One in other different entity, where I don't cook one again.
Okay.
Now, Titi can have a live video now. Una fit show me one positive thing in party rather than Titi go on a live video. They call marriage women a shower. Or water. Or tea a shower. Or when Bob will
I shower him. I shower him.
Now, Titi can roll a pa and yaw effect.
Mm-hmm.
How many of you now? The truthful live video presenter one more pain in a book one. Why so the more pain in a book one. No Latina, no Asiatio, no associate or real, Nene Fracume one also who were the Morowa. No, when managing the platform that masses.
Good. When the Fracume one also who were the Morowa, need drive you an asungu, or the way an asungu. Igiwa we ya ni anasungu, ni anasungu ogiasona. No, ne bewenye na vie, ni na miuvi ogiasona. I want for ne rabi juwe ni anasungu, ni na yumu sefa. Na ana gi ngwe bewe ya wulu every week. We wa ko no gbe kan menwe. Ma we no ke mana ma gbe social media na gbo do okian. A wa bera wa bijua social media na akwe denu. Understand? Et là qui nous met na we vidéo we na mari réunion et vidéo we na e mari réunion wa on a tenu e gestion me ya ri enu ana on si me yi giwa we gbe e gestion me on yan si me yi giwa we gbe fu wo to wa gun e no yan de no wa ze we that audio ou la live video bon bo le live video il va bo mo ra mo ju wa boda fun we wa lu na ko ya mo do oda ko ni oyun we se fa se gole la da fun wa gbe il va bo yan mu wa ya o kuweo que no me defunu que no madan no we aje wo do gbe age ogun yan gbe madan ni e madan no na ewu e ban yan fun ahun mi ni epilesi ogbe o sai madan yan mu wale ewebu epilesi ni nbo kun an epilesi no yan fun agbele ya one after the other we ni ya vi wa do gbe age wa ye wa ka media e ban wa we gbe mi ko we na gbe no wa fun na won ya sifa wa yin we sifa bo mi a wa bira wa bijua nu want ti na to gbigbe to gbira wa gbona go gbira gbiyo e tisha iwa bolera wi je gba we ku no wo a igbi aga no wo gbi aga no mama wa zalwa ba bo mo ra wi wa o uma na ya gun ye me he o la wa no ke nu uri ye fu ko no do yo la wa no ya bi nu agbon we na o wi o no ro wozo no that other speech just could have mama yan wa no mo mo ni ka ge were yan ti e no are ajebo yan ge were ya ri opanuwa ka jebo ro ibi ni wa hun are ibi ni hun are isinye masi me he vote home and abroad. Both home and abroad. Error, where. Ajebonu we me error, where. No la de live video. Odo atian. Error. O ma de be o ma ro ri guy. Mete wa teni ye am agele yoma. Ama I mean am yoma. Ama gba wa ya so wa. We are ona kide obo na arrive ne. On a voyé Nigeria on a Bowane, on a no level. Why il a de la vidéo go ata watin wa ke peni ambassador mais non adazon asiesi ambassador agamie ya we fe eje be no gi okpoko nije we ata we here me awe na ambassador ewi ya go na na ewi chairman na hu yan aya we ro wa biku si le lesi yan jojo elesi ni ko be dene elesi ko le dene e ke na wo fa ne ja ya rente e ke na wo fa ne ja ogo o wara ya wo fa ne jo na be ya rente ya wo fa ne buena koko wa be koko momo akoko momo ya koko momo roba ajebu ma mi ne gbe fo o mi oge mo bi ni won gbe street idenu wa ya kuweka ajebo kino ge were ki wa ya iba bola wa pe abogun yon basketball association wa agwo wa ogun ba ameno osoba osimeno kino pe mano ogun ba wa ya wa kun ba bo mu a o ohun ya nwa fo o we anwa fo na e mi dan we dai na ohun anwa fo wa po no gbe kan menwa wa ri ma no ma wo wa no ijeso me wa ri ogba o praise ne to amuso de uga ora titiki to joke I believe we live video me uga titi there the difference in look ijeso ga titi lugan ijeso ri me lugan sis we sa ya ize gbo omo ke ban fa bi ke we won wa ona to me wa me ya wa me ge we ya wa me we ya ime ge we be ginugi ime gbe age Ostra to filo me ha ko Ostra ge believe do ho ma nego ye we be de be na there be one say yo a be man be lele gbegbe age o ya post picture re ayi wan be mu dun abi ni yo ko post picture re o salo ino ginoro wa ya ibu wa de ba ko a o yan lega wa ya me no baba wo this man o tutu na mo na wa hen kun wa go wa abun hun da bo keria spirit ya yake azalu wa upo uyezu ozo when the spirit there ho spirit yake anya no ho a ne upo uye hunde ya no pe wa de mu yowa ya yigo ya maro pe na jira mu yowa wo to marry you are a mad woman born fool ogono ho ogono we digwe no pe ya yigo yin pe ya wo yowa after most frustration after more you before flat in Nigeria we no ya before flat we yereba ya ni yan huji no ni kan huji but ma we la pala pa kondo huji we a dead woman awa bijua we ya foni koro akayi boya ka we ya fe ameve bedija e ya pata e ya we ya ki koro ba bola we gbe awon fo wa won la yin we mi na ya won fo na we mo ma mo ri ma gbe ko o ke bo no ma ka we ko no ya tebo na awa bijua maka ka won ya tebo na ihe kuma mi juwe ke ma wuwe ijuwe no biwe ihe kuma ho ke ma wuwe ke me na mo dia yu ati gbo wa awa bijua jo wa ka media o ke ma we na gbe na gbodo hin ita we ya awu dan iko ni dan ile we bona o kado wa ya hin ari gbo wala dia binu wa ya re gbo wala de ya yiwa ya lo wa meno ayon wa go be yin ayon wa o ya street ekun wa ni wa wo ko be train station no yi wo na o gifini all street by force ya street enu wa meno ya street enu awa bijua o ye nwanfo wa nwanfo when nwanfo na ro fi no give about this man babiri ni de obudu we ni udere smile we go no dey smile wa won ni my word o mana so amina me no nya wo nya wa no my gele wo no me na me abi you will see me a joke each time on live video wa me you era no ira gbo ka bo ha me no piru very yo se gwale ati na wa na abo mu jua wa bijua ko we kere gbe mi ati bo no a video now is all a short video for when you want for talk show amugero ya hu we na ko wa a good night as my drink at the party ya kana kere gbe na my wose
that video zemo onoro area because of una wickedness unugwa so una to know say it don't tell when me I dey live video me na person wey no believe on viewer I no open 914 talk show because of viewer because of love and like no
we are million viewer ban mo yan na me go make you see that view
as a room when I fit dey express myself see my friends talk to my friends talk to me listen to people as a means of communication as a room to reach people and for people to reach out to me
iwo ni enwu na ni won do
I know attitude
o ta lo na
for live video about it this Ameya welfare na Ameya welfare ne partity do aro ye na no gwani bune live video presenter see nothing wrong in it. It was this a platform a Ameya welfare na titina fear a baby mama we o kai ga jiwa veni and try and settle as on is attity no listing then go they talk a partity go they curse it go they shout it go they curse it go they do so many things. All I can see is that on my no hate you on my no say we when no more so we got the platform here even
yes my people I don't really smart de go e woman was it yota ban mo yan mo pichu la dia o son iko no ga group na tiki ne ayamenya we fake abi kwa iko na ayamenya we ya sikuku ye group abi ko no de gbe de webo ni de gbigidi na titia ni amenya we fake sikuku no yan support for no jomoge opa wo ori gbe la dia idenu no we for de wa ma mi opa ba bo mu wa o ayo wa ka na dia mo yan
that video zero on robot video and you do everything perfect now you want to educate people which is fine it's okay everybody have right to their opinion but my point is waka akpi sanoro ni so wane wake do akpo bere e papa su gbe no wa fun ba ri obi sani ya pene kaya pene uke do akpo bere you see all these evil platform evil platform na matie okonoro godo ashewo ani eno owa
bu wa hi
girlfriend iya le wina iya le be iya mele na asi ko kwa e
la re igbe aga awon afo ugbe ga ke Nigeria do ngbe le kin gbe ke Nigeria de bu we ke Nigeria re uwe mu ebele le gbe adi yen uwe mu na re eden we tsewe bodo no so agbe aga eden so bodo de madam no wari po audience de joke imina ni wa yi won awa o wa hawo o wa gwe another certificate na yobo the only thing mu wa mi mu la jan wa ni o e wiklo be stroke a certificate na me mu ni gbe get stroke o ko na gbe age wa re so yin ge dia yin ma ye bi so yin ye ko eso wa fabros ni wo so àwọn fo wa gun egile describe wa ya finish we wa won na to me no dan ya finish we e then we like Europe de no so anwu na bu ke Nigeria do na mo passport le legbere abi àwọn fo na mo tala passport na mo le legbere va bodo mo wa won you understand When on winner, when it allow to Taiwa, so not allow, who are one fool, the bon young waffle. Once on in your tadino, getting your get me not one yoga at a chimino my yoga when on winner, when I am winner, then I'm going to Rimunupo, who's walking sorry, while I you, Cocobiri Adorio, Gambia Adorio, Senegal Adorio, Burkina Adorio, who had before flat, you hear river, I want fool. When we are before flat, we are more travel, we are. When we are to Karame, Erowa, we are seeing the Roba, we are. You are born wow. We not big money, we not blame on it. We not blame so not blame. When we wonderful to me. Wonderful to me, Bola, we go up. Where do I like life to do? How do I go? You are a media. One will not go about this man. Mammy, there
was one video when a person said to me, I think it was on Sunday, right? Yeah, on Sunday. I was so disturbed with that video. I was waiting to see my doctor, Edo brothers and sisters when they call themselves home of truth, home of inequality, home of justice, home of to do something about that video. A video whereby late Pastor Honsa when they bury, maybe on Friday, on Saturday, or even keke. No woman even settled down who were grave. One Yoruba woman from nowhere carried that man and the family private issue to live video. Come discuss everything about the man marriage, everything about the man home. I was like, are you serious? Does it mean that some people or on a broad daylight witchcraft did this one? If really he gets waiting the man do you wanna do one you know who when we no who any away only dara who he go pay or man who when he go pay of let him go.
Your boy Agunueni, your boy Gunueni. Emma ya wuri gonna be. Mammy on no woo, I see a go or reading at the chin your way. I would mammy on you would know you or would know you. Mal, good diarrhea. I don't know why. Let him who come and get back. They can go and get come on my way. I will not be on no woo. On my wound, many big man I wouldn't want to be any. At the now, I don't know how I bevel. It's been on your son that when I want for now. In your own boom when you're not very soon. Especially when you even about this man, or how when you're yellow with social media. My way, no sagang my way, or my gilly bang, or Monica may drop. We are replacing Monica. Well, I want who we are replacing Monica is Sagana. Walking what a post of Monica where we are worried. Bonastan, Yayu will boom. Capawan because of when it is whole war. I will GPC here you, I will come and go association. About Gazi woman, I will only dick me if you man 2 years for them. I will only way a siran and you think in your Gazi. Why deceive Gua? I will keep your cat on social media. A bola web. Why you Miami Gazi? Whom you can getting work would do. You don't see any eye. You know, did not come in and hey, come in. Eh, Yamu, you were. Well, see, lie is a year. Yeah, but oh, no Gazi, no Gazi, I read Jesus Christ. E mo wa be no e mani sia mu an ni hunda e krimi e we vo magian dede e ha yi magian o yakpo wa e mo wa we vo mo lu ne wa gbe first layer gbe second layer gbe Monica gumegi Monica ma we nu ge ni ya gbo wa ko yo e wa bola ma bu wa no that was ya dig was it from the beginning to the end there Monica ko me dok na yo wa e we papa wo this na mi nu wa there Monica there no more kon here I o wana there UK I me palo na makeup we moto na makeup you know we moto on makeup you know there people so gba ra we or I makeup you know gbe first layer gbe second layer gbe shiny I get there people see now there na o my eye shine here I shine here go na I gbe shine here Shine na wa gbe obo agbe kiana. Devi no mo kon yon he. Dere. Ave go bi wewe dedi. Ave dedi ku meru ai. Dere. Akbo la nyakan. Idinu wa. Awun tan wa kiyan so mi jana. Abi ko dan no magi ofura repetu na. Iwa bodo la wa go bo. Iwa bodo la wa gbe awon afo. E ba we yan awon afo. Uwe no ya before flat. Iye ta ko na ro we ro wodo. Anya mu we ye wa ko ro no mu yan. E property no mu yan mu yo wa. Awon afo. Anya mu ko ro we ni yo wa. E ko ro no gba me kwa to. Ayi bo kan gbe be ya suke. Aso mi so go do no mu yan anya mu yo wa. Ata ole. When no gbe pampas. Ita what wa gun because un ero la yo. Ma be we no. Ma be we no. Idenu kuwe o katit ke vian tiere no giwe vian tiere oga fanejo me ya we fi idenu we na ticket e bona me ya we fi di me ma dere we gele wa zuwa ara me ya we fi me me wotu wa wa agbero baba wo dis no time me ya we fe no we body me ya fe no carry igi ko le obuna me ya fe no ka gbe shetro ne me ya we fe ni shetro man me ya we fe no carry ko ego no uyo na mu no mo Nigeria na ya akifa ne jom yo wa okono ga me 3000 euro bu ma e so bi na o ga ye e obuna wo ye ba bona la go bagun abi ko ni kwa ye go ti ra me no ge era me nira era wa ye gbe re ro pe na ro pe no pe agbo wa shetro ne o la je ba go la bo la we pe e bona wa ji on no be la tema ko era ni ije me no gi me no adazo ma siesi wa ma na ti adaze adazo ma siesi ambassador ami ya wo efe adazo ma siesi o pe no he ni gbe ino e mekere ku o ma gbon ra igi ti e bo na wa zeri na wele do ha pentu no do ha penti ku praise ku pentu no gun ere ni how man mama wo no read social media mama wo no read mama no fake mama no read social media mama no do awo sọ̀rọ̀ social media ono do awo sọ̀rọ̀ o me yo fi awa live video only bank account o kasi like 50 different bank account phone number kasi like 10 different phone number kasi like 10 aka wa use this statement o ina ya gbe statement to police station topic e wa ni e na agwan kana message to my do people, please support my orphanage home. And right now we're from orphanage home. Banks for your support. Bank Zenith Bank, Ishinit Bank, Ogbede Bank, Olokun Bank, Ayayiwa Bank, Unamure Bank, Igobazuwa Bank, Okomu Bank, Enek Oye Bank, a bank Iwakbo Zara. I don't have copyright to this music. Thank you. Oh God. For contribution, call 080. In Nigeria number say ne. God. E me go afie yawo e me go yawo soro. Awe olopa abewu ne. Ogo ayare wa they are not doing that. All those women, those secondary school dropout women. Oh yeah, deceive. My good madam. On either one, you want we ya deal with you. On either one, you threat in the young way, because in your own catamo, ya no nogi, ya no go, ya go, I got more than oil for street, oil call a little different live video. I become me one. Ya damn, even ya need big comment social media, ya in life in here. Tout on vient arriver. Ya know, if you know, ya know, ya never anyway. O hama do mi ya ti no we ko ho kun odini ya na nogi inogi ya mo obo kun nogi to bo ya no ya bia o magma no ya no umenwe no agbe kan menwe you understand ya no no wun yi lora ya no o hama o so me ya no ni we social media no kin ko da fun no awe inogi ewi after most frustration ya diji ya ni we ya I down menwe abi ti Monica no na Monica abone Monica oh hama we ya nya spirit God sent ya no ni we social media na ya ne ya e ya wo bibi yan lari cuz yan ya de yo ne ya gbe kan me mo cuz ma send anybody one assign now one no be you I carry kun but we be me amu ari wo se I want for wa want for no be ban we want for la from the injection many wa mo story e kere ri ru na me ke na ya we me me wona ko kun ani ni ya gbo ni ya gbegbe we bai cuz wo pa kere gbe ni ya gbe me gbarun pa I beat crowd. You understand? So saying na you by the family we by the anybody no relation with any ya kuro ya ku by make na vun. Suggestion is too small you are the end of those you know. You understand? Oh, that's why I'm going to add some of your family member to it. Matter my way now. Understand na? Make na want to about this man. Abo mu wa ho. And I just watch you click my page you on all these years. Where were you guys? Did any of you stand up and come and comfort him? Did any of you come out and come and comfort him? Why do loud ya? Why do you know get attitude? Where the attitude with social media? Even Monica with social media. Waiting good about Monica with social media. I want for women know. They will not do good. Even you will not go and when I want to go. What is good about your platform? Thank God the platform with my carry on in my even. Yeah, we are with my platform. When I will be platform when I watch it, I'm more video good. Or not more video winner. It's a Monica a page ni Monica page or Monica Mbomwe. There page na Monica page ni no kosa ni Monica omo. Hange page na mo video mi na. O ma wo. Page na mo video me. Blogger na hange blog video me because the GPC association GPC gang you know you understand but you know me we a video me have of a platform or a video me of a page or you understand in my report one day yeah no yeah we say yeah on report page me but a video me ya amigo or a page here there are someone one na boy so yeah me you are no only man let you are amayo mu video my mom I mean you are one test suggestion abi you are sending message to and I receive that your insult very well and I accept her and I'm going to deal with you very well because we don't so me so go do yasio ko ka na mo e na medi yasio ko ka na medi ahwa gbogbo you well make na no ye I grew to love now. But what is that? How you could only man, I reckon I didn't show as a number one. I didn't show example. If we are gassy, eh, my body be a door or open up with the listen, it can't be a girl. Yeah, you give me. Yeah, you give me. We will not in a game of our. We are to go to Kenyaji. We are going to live in a vibe. You didn't know whether they know that. I also know now, Menum, ya Vialaja. You could not be a guy, ya Kuyalaja. Wait, my memory. I could become a woman. You are having you. I order my drink. I don't want to drink this night. Was also go sleep just now. All is done. I'll single fire down. You understand me now? The fire down. Understand? What's all right there? So that one just make me paro. I just watch the video just now. Man, they didn't make a video. I don't know where this. Oh God, we were looking at the yeah, excuse the time. This yeah, just like 5 hours. 5 hours, right? And yeah, because when me I bomb why make video me, it make me 5 hours, be 4 hours. Yeah, I can give it, but I guess it's serious. Operation. This is serious. I use operation. Understand? We need to use operation. I need to add some ingredients. All my syringe and everything. You understand? So that I use my I think can go theater. When I want for you, yeah, I'm more theater to take out to theater to use some syringe for them. You understand? This I can spend everything, maybe 4 hours or 5 hours. I can only be a big book away. All the Zimaguru, all the necklace into the devious into the etymology of the video. You understand me? Hope you understand me now. I have vous. Our chisco, our chi will here. No, me, I don't know. I injected one kind. You understand? I want for what's the baby I want for no because a page when I'm in a take having home you know ya home please you know ya near ya grow near you may grow so that I'm making a page way understand so you that's it when I wear sip your alcohol you dey beg me to sip alcohol don't do this night now alcohol don't do no one drink alcohol to talk to this woman make you know say I knew it at the talk. But when I'm going to give her my injection, no, I must deal with all my drugs. All my equipment must deal with me, my syringe and my chemical and everything, you know, to go to theater, to diagnose them. Anybody will give that injection on the way. You give your years was well. And I bet over here, my question was on the bit over here. If you leave your that is the only Ogbanje with the way Alibaba Express. The only Ogbanje get we go no gi. We no pin ready the year na gba ba pin now. O ga gba be ha. E bo ni amugbo. O so re ni anti e awon fo. Igbo bo pin let assume say it's a mistake. And I'm seeing you. You know me. Maybe block red head. But you go at you ni ari. Me ali block you. You red headed way. You red periodic way. Wa agbe here. So when you am bolo for. I go to the now my dinner. My miss Mrs. Abi. No bolo since now how these guys are not fall out. So I also I need to arrange my days now. No see I need to cook my African food. Be understanding me now. You're supposed to understand now. Every time we talk. Yet I realize I bought on I don't want any I won't kill you. I couldn't lay here, couldn't arrange it. When we born now, understand all this. It will not see no go. What else? When people not see, oh, this food is delicious. I'm my why? Well, so all see they all coming. I can never gum, you know, I fear on my understand. And this man make me ball out. I'm not ball out to dinner tomorrow, but I'm so happy seeing this one and another boy goes in discipline. You need to discipline all these kind of women. Understand? And I say you'll be. I you get the word. I guess a lot of now I have a thought idea. What of who I mean. Wow, you have no time to check time. You understand? The truth be saying, man, waiting bad, they bad. Waiting good, they good. This woman, so, she start well. But she call it, when she can't enter inside, that's the problem with social media. She started well, and she was talking well. She talks sense. You know, she never nonsense, but those will pick sense. For all this video, where she do so sense the inside, oh. You understand? I'm not about IT. She makes sense for inside, but now the nonsense with the inside. Now I hate, and the nonsense which she makes, she can't make her with boldness, like full concrete boldness. And once you get to know, say, I'm Gionari. Understand? I say, I show example. I tell my who we want, it will be no raw. The humiliation of raw is getting too much. I need to use an example. Understand? You know what? Now an issue before you know what it is. You understand? But what you mommy, you have baby. And why you have your body? You know why it's about boats. From we don't know when you make money. No why it's about my bug me directly with boldness. And I think, or even my body, but not the fiancé mobile. On love, not even, not even. If possible, not even peer. Can you imagine the insult? Can you imagine the compatibility? Insult upon injury. Can you imagine? Or team women die or women goods. Oh God. Ama, I'm married. I beg child. I beg. I want food. I want food. I want food. Can you know I want food? I know a page when you want group. Boy, you page when you grew. Yeah, grew page when page when you grew. Alright, my people, I grew to now with better style. This is Frank Victor, the Omewa, one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media no just do my drink. I want for now. You know, When I get go, when I get the way baby. Mona no women I have given a baby. If you want to beat people outside darkness, I know how to handle them. No, many of them. Where would often meet? I know how to handle them. You don't say, but if you born already, baby, let me like in you are equal over. All you mean, I will be me, cake, it is not bow. I know how to handle people like you. Don't worry. A good night. Now take care. We are good. Peace, deal. I'll go enjoy myself. Now, bye bye for now.